Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to our channel. You remember last time we discussed what is a virus? If you haven't watched it, I'll leave their link. You can watch it again. And what is the data? If I ask to you, you have a first name, last name, father name, mother name, date of birth. So you have a lot of record. And we need one software to record this all record. That software is called database. And today we will discuss about database. And today what we will discuss what is a database, different type of a database, and a different type of a database management system. Yeah, wait here, and there is one bonus for you that is at the end of the video. So without wasting time, let me start. Now let we discuss what is a database. In schools, in offices, in organization, they need one software to save the record of their employees. In schools need a software that could keep a record of their students, their employees. So they need one software. So that software arranges all the information in a systematical way, I mean to say in tables, and it organizes it, and that way we can update that information, we can delete that information, and we can fetch that information, and that software is called database. We have understood what is a database. Now let we discuss different type of a database. There are two type of a database. First one is a flat file database, which is good for small data. On the other hand, there is a database management system which is professionally designed to large amount of data. Now let me discuss flat file database. Well, your flat file database is very good for small record. For example, you want to save a record of 10 or 50 people, so we can use Microsoft Word and we will make a table and we can save there, or there is Microsoft Excel. So in a flat file database, actually that software is not designed to handle the large amount of data, but we can use it for small record. Now let me discuss about database management system. Earlier we discussed about flat file database, which are not designed for saving a large amount of data. But your database management system is designed to save a large amount of database. Even you can link this database management system with your website, with your other application software. So this is professionally designed to handle large amount of a database. It is more secure and it is more flexible for the user. For example, there is MS Access from Microsoft, there is OpenOffice Base, and there is MySQL. We have discussed what is a database management system, and let me discuss now different type of a database management system. As you know, this database management system software is designed especially to handle large amount of data. It is more secure, and you can modify your record, you can update your record, and it is easy to link your database with the web applications and with the application software. First of all, like a central database management system, distributed database management system, cloud database management system, which is these days very popular, and last not least, relational database management system, which is in your course. Now let me discuss central database management system. I'll give you direct examples. You go to bank, and all over the world you can access your bank account, you can deposit your money, you can withdraw your money, you can do online shopping. Then how it is happening? It is happening actually, your all accounts information is stored in one computer, in a centralized computer, and that information can be accessed from a different computer all over the world. So this type of a database is called centralized database management system, because all information is stored in one computer and other computer actually access it. So this type of a database is called centralized database management system. Next is distributed database management system. As its name sounds, distributed. So here all the information is actually distributed in lot of computers. In a previous centralized database management system, all information was stored in one computer, and in your distributed computer is just a reverse of it. Here information is stored in lot of computers. So that is called your distributed database management system. Next is cloud database management system, and it is very popular these days, and companies are hiring other companies and they are taking responsibility to store all the information in it. For example, like we have a Google Drive and we can save our record, but it is in a small level. For example, like any government want to save their records, so they hire some companies and they keep record online, and they keep the security of this database. But you know, there is need of more security, because we are using internet to access our information, save our information, so their security is very important, and this cloud database management system is quite popular these days. Next is relational database management system. As its name sounds, relations. So here in this database, one table is connected with other table, and they set up one relationship using a primary key that we will discuss in a coming videos, primary key, foreign key. So this type of a database is quite popular because there is a relationship between one table to another table, and this is in your chapter, relational database management system. So there is like a Microsoft Access, there is like a SQL, OpenOffice base. So just now we discussed what is a database, different type of a database. If we talk about different type of a database, there are two type of a database: flat file database like a Microsoft Word, database management system. In a database management system, there are different type of a database: centralized database, distributed database, cloud database management system, and a relational database management system. And now come to bonus. I have got one study material for you. A lot of students were saying for a study material they need one book. So I have got one study material, one book for you, so you can get it. You go to your description below, and there I have left one link, and from there you can download your this ebook. You can get a full note of this, what is a database management system, in a description below, as well as I will leave a link of all the chapters notes in a description. And you can comment and like this channel and subscribe it, and in a next video I will come with a new video. Till then, bye bye.